Hey everyone! Ramadan 2025 is just around the corner, and if you're living in Dubai, there are a few key timing adjustments you need to know about. This sacred month brings some notable changes to daily life, so let's dive right in. First off, if you're working in the private sector, good news. Your working hours will be reduced by 2 hours every day. And yes, this applies to non-Muslim workers too, with no salary cuts. So, enjoy those shorter workdays. Next, let's talk parking. During Ramadan, paid parking hours are adjusted. You'll only need to pay from 8 a.m. to 6 p.m., and then again from 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. However, multi-story parking remains payable 24/7. Keep that in mind when planning your trips. For those of you driving around, Salik's toll charges will also see a shift. Peak hours run from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m., costing 6 dirhams. Off-peak hours are from 7 a.m. to 9 a.m. and 5 p.m. to 2 a.m. at 4 dirhams. And remember, no toll charges between 2 a.m. and 7 a.m. on any day. So driving late at night might save you some dirhams. Parents, let's talk school hours. Although the 2025 schedule isn't confirmed yet, it's likely to follow last year's pattern. Expect schools to operate for a maximum of 5 hours, wrapping up by noon on Fridays. A shorter school day means more family time, shopping and eating out. Supermarkets will operate as usual, while malls stay open late to accommodate everyone. Most restaurants will open after evening prayers, but some will operate during daylight hours in enclosed areas. Takeaway and delivery options will also be available. There you have it. These changes can make navigating daily life during Ramadan a breeze. Wishing everyone a peaceful and blessed Ramadan. Until next time, take care.